Dubai, the glamorous city in the United Arab Emirates, has been experiencing rapid economic growth for several decades. With its impressive skyline, luxurious lifestyle, and booming real estate market, it's no wonder why many people believe that Dubai is a giant economic bubble. But is this really the case? Imagine you are walking through the city of Dubai, surrounded by glittering skyscrapers, high-end cars, and lavish restaurants. Everywhere you look, there is an air of wealth and success. But as you walk deeper into the city, you start to notice something strange. Despite the outward appearance of prosperity, there are signs that the economy may not be as stable as it seems. Empty apartment buildings stand like giant tombstones, abandoned construction sites litter the city, and the once bustling shopping malls are now eerily quiet. This is the reality that many people believe Dubai is facing. But is it really a giant bubble waiting to burst, or is this just fear-mongering? Dubai, the glittering jewel of the UAE, was once hailed as a land of opportunities, where every investor's dream could be turned into a reality. It was a city that boasted of the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, artificial islands shaped like palm trees, and luxurious hotels that catered to the rich and famous. However, in 2009, Dubai was hit by a financial crisis, and the bubble that had been created by the excessive spending and borrowing of its rulers finally burst. We will now explore the reasons why Dubai was most definitely a bubble in 2009 and how this will help answer today's topic. Dubai's economy had been growing at an unprecedented rate since the 1970s, when oil was first discovered in the region. However, the rulers of Dubai realized that they could not rely solely on oil to fuel their economy. They had to diversify and create new industries that would sustain their growth in the long term. The result was the creation of Dubai's tourism and real estate industries. Dubai became a hub for tourism, with millions of visitors flocking to the city each year to enjoy its luxurious hotels, shopping malls, and entertainment centers. The city also embarked on a massive real estate development program that aimed to turn it into a global financial center. Investors from all over the world poured billions of dollars into the city, buying up properties and investing in new projects. Dubai's real estate market was fueled by speculation and hype. Developers promised investors guaranteed returns on their investments, and many people bought properties without even visiting Dubai. Prices soared, and many investors believed that they could not lose money. The city's rulers also embarked on a massive spending spree, building extravagant projects that had little economic justification. The Burj Khalifa, for example, was built at a cost of $1.5 billion, even though there was no demand for office or residential space in the area. The Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree, cost $12 billion to build, and yet many of its properties remained unsold. Today, Dubai has recovered from the financial crisis, but it has learned some important lessons. The city's rulers have adopted a more cautious approach to real estate development, focusing on practical investments that are based on actual demand. They have also diversified their economy further, investing in new industries such as renewable energy and technology. Dubai's economy has been growing at an unprecedented rate in recent years. The city has become a hub for tourism, business, and trade, attracting people from all over the world. With its strategic location between Asia, Europe, and Africa, Dubai has become a vital link in the global supply chain. The city's economic growth has been driven by several factors, including its oil reserves, its location as a major trading hub, and its robust tourism industry. Dubai has invested heavily in infrastructure and real estate, creating a modern and attractive city that is well suited to business and leisure travelers alike. But with rapid economic growth comes the risk of overheating, which can lead to a bubble. This is a situation where prices rise far beyond their actual value, creating an unsustainable situation that eventually collapses. One of the main concerns about Dubai's economy is its real estate market. The city has experienced a massive boom in construction, with towering skyscrapers and luxury villas popping up everywhere. However, many of these properties are not being used, leading to concerns that the market may be oversaturated. In addition, there are concerns about the quality of construction in Dubai. Many buildings have been constructed quickly and cheaply, with little regard for safety or durability. Despite these concerns, Dubai's real estate market continues to grow. The city remains a popular destination for property investors, with many people buying apartments and villas in the hope of making a profit. However, the oversupply of properties, coupled with the ongoing pandemic, has led to a decline in property prices and a rise in vacancies, making it difficult for investors to see a return on their investment. Another concern about Dubai's economy is its dependence on oil. While the city has diversified its economy in recent years with a focus on tourism and trade, oil remains a significant contributor to the city's wealth. This means that Dubai is vulnerable to fluctuations in the global oil market, which can have a significant impact on the city's economy. In addition, the oil industry is a major source of pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which is a concern for many people in the modern world. As countries around the world move towards cleaner energy sources, Dubai may find itself left behind if it fails to adapt. Is Dubai's economy really a sustainable model? Despite the concerns about Dubai's economy, there are also reasons to be optimistic about its future. The city has made significant strides in diversifying its economy, with a focus on sectors such as technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Dubai has also invested heavily in infrastructure, including the world's largest solar park and a new airport terminal, which will help to attract more businesses and tourists to the city. Furthermore, Dubai has taken steps to address some of the issues facing its real estate market. In 2019, the government introduced a range of measures to boost the property market, including long-term visas for property owners and investors and the relaxation of certain property ownership laws. These measures have helped to stabilize the market and attract more investors to the city. Moreover, the government has taken steps to address concerns about the quality of construction in Dubai. In 2018, it introduced new building regulations that require developers to use higher quality materials and adhere to stricter safety standards. This should help to prevent incidents such as the Al Tayer Tower collapse from happening in the future. Like many other cities around the world, Dubai has been impacted by the pandemic. The city's tourism industry, which is a major contributor to its economy, has been hit hard by travel restrictions and lockdowns. The real estate market has also been affected, with a decline in property prices and an increase in vacancies. However, Dubai has taken steps to mitigate the impact of the pandemic on its economy. The government has introduced a range of measures to support businesses and individuals, including stimulus packages and rent relief for tenants. The city has also been proactive in rolling out vaccines, with a high vaccination rate among its population. Dubai has transformed itself from a small fishing village into a cosmopolitan city-state, known for its towering skyscrapers, luxury shopping malls, and world-class amenities. The city's economic growth has been fueled by oil revenue, tourism, and real estate investments. However, as the world's economy faces uncertainty, many wonder if Dubai's economy will continue to grow or if it will collapse. Dubai's economic success story is nothing short of remarkable. In the 1960s, Dubai was a small, sleepy fishing village on the coast of the Persian Gulf. However, when oil was discovered in the region, the ruling sheiks realized the potential for economic growth. They invested heavily in infrastructure, including roads, airports, and seaports, and transformed Dubai into a regional hub for trade and commerce. In the 1990s, Dubai began to diversify its economy beyond oil by investing heavily in real estate and tourism. The government's ambitious plans to develop the city into a world-class destination attracted millions of tourists and investors from around the world. Today, Dubai's economy is a major force in the global market. The city-state is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, and has a reputation for luxury and opulence. The city's tax-free business environment and investor-friendly policies have attracted multinational corporations, entrepreneurs, and high-net-worth individuals. However, Dubai's rapid economic growth has raised concerns about the sustainability of its model. Some experts believe that the city is experiencing an economic bubble that is bound to burst. The root of this concern lies in Dubai's heavy dependence on real estate and tourism. In the early 2000s, Dubai's property market experienced a massive boom. with prices skyrocketing and investors flocking to the city. However, this led to an oversupply of housing and commercial properties, and the market crashed in 2008. The global financial crisis of 2008 hit Dubai hard, as the city's economy was heavily reliant on real estate and construction. Many foreign investors fled the market, leaving behind unfinished projects and abandoned properties. The government was forced to bail out several of its state-owned companies, including Dubai World, which was facing a massive debt crisis. Dubai has since learned valuable lessons from the crisis and has implemented several measures to ensure the stability of its economy. The government has taken steps to diversify its economy beyond real estate and tourism, investing in industries such as finance, technology, and renewable energy. Dubai's strategic location also makes it a hub for global trade and commerce, with the city-state serving as a gateway between the East and the West. The government has made significant investments in infrastructure, including the expansion of its seaports and airports to support its growing logistics and transportation industries. Dubai's economy has proven to be resilient in the face of adversity. Despite the challenges of the past, the city-state has continued to grow and prosper. However, the global economic landscape is uncertain, with factors such as the pandemic, geopolitical tensions, and climate change posing significant risks to Dubai's economic stability. One potential threat to Dubai's economy is the possibility of a real estate bubble. While the government has taken measures to prevent another crash, some experts believe that the market is overheating once again, with prices rising faster than wages and inflation. Another challenge facing Dubai is the need to adapt to a rapidly changing world. The city-state has built its reputation on luxury and opulence, but consumers are becoming more conscious of sustainability and social responsibility. Dubai must find ways to remain relevant in a world where environmental concerns and ethical business practices are increasingly important to consumers and investors. However, Dubai's government has shown a commitment to sustainability and innovation, investing in renewable energy and technology startups. The city-state has also launched several initiatives to promote social responsibility, including the Dubai Sustainable Tourism Initiative, which aims to make the city's tourism industry more sustainable and responsible. As Dubai looks to the future, the city-state must continue to adapt to a rapidly changing world and address potential risks to its economy. However, with its strong foundation and forward-thinking approach, Dubai is well positioned to continue its economic growth and success. Dubai's bubble burst in 2009, exposing the weaknesses in its economy and the dangers of creating an economy based on speculation and hype. The city's rulers have since adopted a more cautious approach to real estate development, and the city has diversified its economy further. Dubai's experience serves as a warning to other cities and countries that seek to create a bubble economy. Dubai's economy has been a topic of debate for many years, with some people believing that it is a giant bubble waiting to burst, while others are more optimistic about its future. So, what do you think? Is Dubai's economy a ticking time bomb waiting to collapse, or is it a sustainable model for the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.